गीताकल्पतरुं भजे भगवता कृष्णेन संरोपितं वेदव्यासविवर्धनं श्रुतिशिरोबीजं प्रबोधाङ्कुरं नानाशास्त्ररहस्यशाखमरतिक्षान्तिप्रवालाङ्कितं कृष्णाङ्घ्रिद्वयपद्मपुष्पसुरभिं मोक्षप्रदं ज्ञानिनां. The Bhagavad Gita is the universal mother. It is also called Kalpataru. It gives whatever boon we seek. Kevalam Atmana Sthiti iti Kaivalyaha. Who is desirous of salvation or mukti, he will have to knock the doors of Bhagavad Gita. A very interesting verse or the Charama Sloka, the summary of all Bhagavad Gita. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saradam raja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma suchah. Abandoning all duties, take refuge in me alone. I shall liberate you from all sins. Do not grieve. My dear Arjun, sarva dharman parityajya, abandon all your duties. Mamekam saranam raja, take refuge in me alone. Aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami, I shall liberate you from all sins. Masuchaha, do not grieve. Why you are worrying? You are worrying about everything on the face of this earth. Just by surrendering to me, you can be get rid of all these worries. This is the noblest of all the stanzas in Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna has expressed this willingness to undertake the service to his devotees. Sarva dharman parityajya. The term dharma in this context is ending the egos, shedding the egos, that is the ahankara of a human being. Duties does not mean our regular work or things which we have to do, we are supposed to do. Shedding the dharmas in this context we have to understand as shedding our ego or the ahankara. My dear Arjun, surrender is the only easiest way to self-transcendence. He only is fit to contemplate the divine light who is slave to nothing, not even to his virtues or good qualities. When we get rid of egos, ahankaras, we are free from stress and worry. All negative tendencies, unhealthy thoughts, anxiety and worries go out of us. There remains a pure consciousness. The needed guidance will come spontaneously from the Lord. A total surrender raises us to unprecedented spiritual levels. The sloka is called Charama Sloka or the ultimate verse. This sloka is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam raja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma suchah. Let us abandon all our egos, ahankaras. Let us surrender to him, the Lord Krishna. Have faith that he alone liberates us from all sins. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Loka samasta sukhino